Hello guys, welcome back to Master GIT channel, and then today I'm gonna be playing on Lotto Star. As you can see, I just want to test it if we can have something. I just put 50 rand, but we're going to be going higher on Lotto Star on Friday on our live show. Our live show is going to start on Friday, and everyone that I said they need, I will send them the voucher. I've already sent everyone the voucher. So guys, I will meet you also in the live show, and if you are a new member, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's just start with this game and see what we can have here. I'm going to start by buying same time. I'm not going to spin. I just want to say I never played this game here in Lotto Star. It's my first time playing it. I want to see if they can be kind to us. When on Friday, I won't be playing with a slow amount, guys. I'm going to be going higher. I'm going to be playing with a higher amount. Like if I'm playing siren spell, but I will play different types of games. So I'm gonna be playing with a higher amount. So because you understand, yeah, it's live show. It must be interesting, and it must also show that is a live show. Let's just begin. All right. Okay. Show us the power of your bonus in Lotto Star siren spell. Let me see if we can choose Lotto Star today. So guys, if I make some profit, I'm not going to withdraw here in Lotto Star. I'm just going to... Oh, what happened? Okay guys, I don't know what exactly happened. Let's just continue with our game. Let's see if they can give us 1,000 with just 25 rand bonus buy, like what they did in Hollywood Bet. Let's see, is it possible here in Lotto Star? And one more thing guys, as I'm playing here, bear in mind that I'm a tutor. I teach. If you have somebody you need me to help with them with maths, programming, or high school from grade 10 to 12, and also university maths and also programming at university, kindly, you know my numbers, they are there in this YouTube channel, and then I'm also gonna pin them my number in some other videos here, so that guys you can support and I can help those students so that they can pass. Thank you guys. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's quite a while I was not here. I think I played, but not siren spell. I came here and play one of the games, and when I play one of the games, what happens is that guys, they played me deity. I think I put 300. There is a time I put 300 in Lotto Star, but I didn't. I lost everything. So today maybe it's been a while. I was just doing it intentionally. They were sending me messages saying I must play. So let's see if they can pay me back. If we make 1,000 guys, I'm not taking it out here. We are going to use it, that 1,000 on Lotto Star again on Friday, and also even any amount that I make here today, if I make some profit, even if I don't make profit, we're still going to play on Lotto Star. But let's see what will happen. Let me not disturb it guys, let me not disturb it. It seems like it want to give us some good things. I'm have a flu guys, don't be surprised. Can it give us 4 ladies or 5? All right, we need the whole ladies, 5 ladies. Will this mimic? Let's see. I just want to see what they are thinking. All right, Eclipse is trying to move. It's trying to move guys. I'm trying to check out where they write the balance, because our balance is supposed to be something better. Okay, only 3 left guys, but I don't see where they are writing this balance here in. It's a siren spell balance 25.03 there. Nothing is changing here. Maybe it will change. I don't know how it operates. 3 only. Last spin. Oh, we couldn't make it, but we managed to make 63 rand. So our balance now, it changes to 88 rand. So if we have a balance of 88, guys, I'm gonna change the bet. I want to at least to have something. Let me try 150. Maybe we can get the bonus. Maybe we can get a bonus, and this bonus can be useful. Let's see, or something good can come. Oh, look at those. Okay, it seems like it's hot in here in Lotto Star, guys. To be honest, I think like it's better than Hot Hollywood Bet. What do you think? Okay, let me not waste time. Let me just buy 25 bonus buy again. I'm really enjoying, like I'm enjoying playing on Lotto Star. Here in Lotto Star, I'm enjoying playing in Lotto Star. Let me know, guys, which one would you prefer to play on between Lotto Star and Hollywood Bet? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Kindly like these videos, share with your families, friends, and remember, when you share and like this video, what is going to happen when I select my winners? I select based on the likes and on the shares. So if I can get 100 likes in this video, guys, I'm going to take 5 people, not for life. 5 people are going to win. If we can get 100 likes in this video, I'm going to nominate 5 people based on my strategy, how I nominate, and I'm gonna make them winners. 100, I want 100 likes, and then also share the videos, comment, let's engage. And thank you guys for your support. I highly appreciate your support, guys. Let's build this channel together. All right, this is what we're talking about here. This is what we are talking about. Let's go. Oh, 4 ongle is a big win. We'll take that. 6 rand. Okay, it's fine. Only 4 left to unlock the first level. Will it be possible? 1, 2. Okay, only 2. Wow. Oh, no ways. Oh, guys, I don't know if we couldn't. We lost this one, guys. We lost this one. We have lost. Okay, guys, let's see what is happening here, guys. Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna. Okay, let me not waste my time, guys. Let me just buy one more again. I think if we can proceed all the stages here in this Lotto Star, I think we can grab something good. Let's see if we can. What will happen in this stage? It's not really promising. Okay, it didn't really do as we wanted. Didn't do as well. Let's see if how many games. Oh, we still have 3 more games. Okay, this one we lost, guys. We really lost. Okay, I have a flu. So I do have a flu, guys, so let's hope it's gonna be okay. Okay, my battery is even complaining, but we'll try to go. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. All right, so many tortoise. Oh, final. I thought maybe there are 5 of them, guys. I thought there are going to be 5. It's a big win. Mhm. 16 games. Up to 7, nothing. All right, guys. I think for today I will end here. It was just a break even. It's a nice. I've enjoyed to play in siren spell. So I think we're gonna go with a siren spell on when we play live. So I'm very happy about what siren spell does on Lotto Star. So I think we're gonna play on Lotto Star the games. We might not really play siren spell. And if you are a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe in this channel and support the channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.